Hi, my name's Emily and I'm an environment educator here at Greenacres. Today we're at Spooky Hollow Farm to see what is happening in our forest now that it is the spring. As we move from the cold, short days of winter into the spring, the days get longer and the temperatures get warmer. During this time of seasonal change, many plants and animals also have to make changes in order to survive. So let's go explore and see if we can spot some signs of spring. Hey, I think I see some buds on this tree. Spring is the time when flowers and leaves bloom from buds. And it's so beautiful.
What you looking at?
Oh, hi Sammy. You startled me. This is my friend, Sammy the squirrel. We're out searching for signs of spring. Have you seen any?
Spring? I've seen signs of spring everywhere. I'm a forest expert, you know. In fact, if you're looking for some blooms, I've seen some wildflowers popping up all over the place. Let me show you some.
Great, let's go check it out.
Oh, look at these flowers over here. Oh, I really like these ones.
Oh, those ones are really pretty.
Those are one of my favorites.
Ooh, I love the color. Wow, you found a lot of flowers, Sammy. Why do you think we find so many flowers in the spring?
Well, the warmer weather and the rain helps them grow. The longer days also means more sunshine. Plants, like trees and wildflowers, are able to make their own food from the sun. I wish I could do that, but I would miss eating my nuts and seeds. Hey, speaking of food, I found this great new place to eat. Let's go check it out. This is the best restaurant in the world. I call it Mickey Seeds.
But Sammy, aren't these bird feeders?
Well, technically yes. But when the seeds drop to the ground, they become squirrel feeders too. And while grabbing some snacks here, I can catch up with all my bird friends. They have pretty busy lives in the spring, so it's nice to see what they're up to.
What are birds busy doing in the spring?
Good question. I see my friend Ruby the hummingbird. Ruby, these are my friends.
Hi, everyone.
Hi Ruby, it's so nice to meet you. We're just talking about what birds are doing in the spring. Can you tell us what you've been up to?
Sure. Birds are doing lots of different things right now. I just got home from spending my winter down in Costa Rica. When I noticed that spring was on its way, I knew it was time to begin my big trip back home.
I've heard about birds making big trips. Aren't they called migration?
Sure is, and migrating is hard work. It's important to eat enough on my journey. So on my way, I stopped at lots of flowers to get sugary nectar and also found plenty of insects for protein. Once I had enough energy from this food, I was able to fly hundreds of miles home.
Wow! That was a long trip. Do all birds migrate?
Migrations are pretty common for birds in the spring. While we may go to different places, lots of birds fly south for the winter and back north in the spring. But not all birds do. Some birds are able to hang out all year long.
Well, welcome back to the neighborhood, Ruby. Hey, I have a question for you. I've noticed a lot of birds carrying sticks around. What's up with that?
Great observation, Sammy. Spring is a time when lots of animals have babies, and so many birds are building nests out of materials like sticks and twigs to get ready to lay their eggs. Other animals lay eggs too.
Oh, I see. We squirrels don't lay eggs, but my sister Sandy just had a set of triplets.
Congratulations on becoming an uncle. I'll have to go visit Sandy and the triplets.
Yes, congratulations, Sammy. I'll have to go visit them too. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. From birds building nests to wildflowers blooming, it seems like signs of spring are everywhere. Have you seen any signs of spring near where you live? Take a look around and discover this season for yourself. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time here at Greenacres.